we're going to look at dependent events. Once again, dependent events are going to be when the events depend on each other. So one is going to be affected by the other one. They're tied together in some way. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. The idea here is going to be a drawer contains 10 black socks and 6 blue socks. If 2 socks are chosen at random, what's the probability of getting a pair of black socks? So once again, we want to do favorable over total. So the first probability would be I'm going to pull a sock out, and there are 10 black socks out of 16 altogether. And if I get one of the black socks out, if I pull it out, then and is the word, I want to pull another black sock out. Well, there's only 9 black socks left out of how many socks total? 15 socks total. So the first one, there's going to be 10 black socks out of 16. Now there's only going to be 9 black socks left because I pulled one of them out, and there's only going to be 15 socks in the whole thing. Well, when you go to add these together, you do have to get the denominators the same. You can't just oh wait, no, and is math. Never mind. And is multiply. So let me go back. Or is addition. That's the next lesson. I got ahead of myself. So on this one, we're going to put a big fat times sign in the middle of that. All right. And so now we'll multiply these. 10 times 9 is 90. 16 times 15 is going to be 150 plus 6 times 15, which is, it's going to be, I'll just do the math real quick. It's 150 plus 60 plus 30, which is 210 plus 30 is 240. So this is going to be 90 over 240. No calculator here, guys. Let's do it. Let's bang it out. Zeros are gone. 3 goes into 9. 3 goes into 24. 3 out of 8. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. So you have a 0.375% chance, or a 37.5% chance of that occurring. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next one. If 2 socks are chosen at random, what's the probability of getting a pair of socks that are the same color? Well, what I want to do is find the probability of getting 2 black ones, which I already did. Then I want to find the probability of getting 2 blue socks, which I haven't found yet. But I'm saying the probability of black and or the probability of 2, or does mean addition. You're allowed to add those 2 together. Okay, and that's where I got confused earlier. All right, we already know the probability of getting a black sock is going to be 0.375. So I have to add that to the probability of getting a blue sock, which is going to be 6 out of 16 and 5 out of 15. So we'll multiply those together. We get 30 over 240. Cancel the zeros out, and 3 goes into 24 8 times, which is 1/8. So this whole thing here will be 1/8 plus the 3/8 that we had earlier is going to be 4/8, and 4/8 is 0.5, or 50%. That's a 5. Okay. So and means multiplication, or means addition. And in this case, we could get 2 black socks, or we could get 2 blue socks. Rock and roll in that regard. Let's go ahead and we'll pause this one. We'll do one more video after this. I've got just a little bit of fun, 2 more questions here, and then we're all set. But we'll do this on another video. Just felt like pausing. Okay, let's do it.